Today we're taking a full and detailed look at the Parkside 12-volt cordless drill driver starter set. And this one is a complete package. This is not just a drill. This is a full starter system designed to get you working immediately, whether you're building your first workshop or upgrading your DIY setup. Let's start with what's included in the box. Inside the package, you get the Parkside 12-volt drill driver unit, two 12-volt lithium-ion batteries, a fast charger, a case with screwdriver bits, a dedicated drill bit set for metal, and a separate drill bit set for wood. That means straight out of the box, you are fully equipped for drilling and driving in multiple materials without buying anything extra. Now let's talk about the drill itself. This is a compact and ergonomic 12-volt cordless unit designed for control, precision, and versatility. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for tight spaces, overhead work, cabinet installations, and furniture assembly. One of the most important features of this model is the detachable head system. It comes with a removable front attachment. With the standard chuck installed, it works as a regular drill driver, perfect for drilling into wood or metal and for controlled screw driving. But once you remove the head, it converts into a more compact configuration that allows it to function as an impact-style screwdriver for driving screws with more direct torque application. This gives you flexibility depending on the task. Drilling mode for precision holes and driving mode for fastening with confidence. The drill includes variable speed control through the trigger, giving you smooth acceleration and better control when starting screws or drilling accurately. It also features adjustable torque settings, allowing you to choose the exact amount of rotational force. Lower settings are ideal for small screws and delicate materials like softwood or MDF. Higher settings allow you to drive longer screws into hardwood without stripping or overdriving. There's also a dedicated drilling mode that unlocks full power when making holes. The keyless chuck allows fast and tool-free bit changes. You simply twist to tighten or release bits. Quick, efficient, and practical during real work. Now let's talk about the included accessories. The screwdriver bit set gives you multiple common bit types for everyday screw driving. Phillips, flat, Torx, and more, making it perfect for furniture assembly, installations, and general repairs. The metal drill bit set allows you to drill into steel, brackets, sheet metal, and various metal components. The wood drill bit set is designed specifically for clean and efficient drilling in wood, plywood, MDF, and soft timber. Having separate drill bit sets for wood and metal ensures better performance and longer bit life because each type is optimized for its specific material. Now let's focus on the battery system. You get two 12-volt lithium-ion batteries. This is a major advantage. While one battery is in use, the second can be charging. That means almost zero downtime during longer projects. The lithium-ion technology provides stable power delivery without memory effect and maintains performance over time. The included charger is designed for fast and safe charging, getting you back to work quickly. This entire set is part of the Parkside 12-volt platform, meaning the batteries are compatible with other Parkside 12-volt tools. So this starter kit can become the foundation of a complete cordless system. Who is this set for? It's ideal for DIY beginners, homeowners, apartment setups, workshop enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a lightweight but capable cordless solution. You can assemble furniture, mount shelves, install curtain rails, drill into wood or light metal, perform general maintenance, and handle most home improvement tasks with ease. To summarize, with this Parkside 12-volt cordless drill driver starter, set you get the drill driver with detachable head system, two 12-volt lithium-ion batteries, a fast charger, a full screwdriver bit set, a metal drill bit set, a wood drill bit set, and full compatibility with the Parkside 12-volt ecosystem. This is a complete, ready-to-work package. If you enjoy honest tool reviews, real workshop content, and practical demonstrations, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're building something serious here. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next project.